Okay, hi, my name is Gregg.
Okay, that reminds me, cash only. Cash only.
Unusual, I've never done before.
Come pick them up.
What I'm going to do is I'm going to show you some of my art. It's right here. Photography. I got it right here. Lance Armstrong. I took a picture of Lance Armstrong right there. I had a gallery, a photo gallery in Memorial Day. So I got them right here. And these are really super nice prints. I had a archival pigment ink Epson machine, and I sold these for a pretty good deal, I'd say. You know, one like that right there. That looks like about, I don't know, 16 by 20. I'm not sure. I'm not gonna take the camera now to measure everything. Something else than exactly what it is. What I'm looking for is people who are artists. Okay, you know what these are worth if you're an artist. And you need to take it to your own framing guy and have them measure it and frame it. You know, because who cares what size it is? You need to see what size it is. And I'm not gonna waste my time with all that. You want one of these prints? I'm gonna show you. This is more rock. You see a splash in there. You can see if I'm filming. Okay, I'm gonna make another video and add it to this video. Okay, peace out. Okay, this is more rock. It's a original print in good, fine condition on the board. And it is as is, you know, it's in my gallery. There you can see there's a big wave right there on more rock. It's a beautiful print. Printed with the Epson large format printer. This I went to Solvane. It was stage 6, 2009. I think it was. I'm not exactly sure, but that's what I looked up on the internet. This is a voiceover. My mom had cancer. I read it's not about the bike. In the hospital, I learned a lot from that. This guy is he's a hero. He really is. I mean, yeah, sure. He whatever. Everyone does what they can. I mean, I like the guy. Okay, he's a go-getter. I just think he's a good man. Whether you do or not, I don't care. Okay, this is and that I think is about 12 by 12. I signed it. I took it in. What's that? What is that place over there near?
Solvane, Gregg, Solvane.
A Dutch, Holland kind of place. They took to California. Anyway, I went there. I got some really good
tour of California, the 6th stage in Solvane.
This is a really good
2009, I think.
Of I can't remember the name of that bird. Heron. It's probably a 3 by 16. But as is, there you see the couch. You get an idea. Okay. This is some art that my Aunt Shirley did. And those are not for sale. But these are for sale because I don't have any. Okay, these are snowy plovers. It's a beautiful print. Beautiful print. On the side of this. This is a quick video because I need some money. And this is a beautiful shot I took. Dinosaur caves and different things. So there you go. I have a gallery. I have some more stuff down here. I got more humpback whales. I got all kinds of stuff. I kind of just was out of business for a while. I was homeless on the street. Mitchell Road Camp. Michael Blasingame brought them to me. I got lots of them. So, I don't know. I'm making it out there. Alright. Okay. Starting bid starts out at $100 a piece. I'm signed. That was signed. All signed. By the guy who used to live in this body. I'm a new guy. I got it going. So, okay. You have the whole 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, for these are vintage. Vintage. This was done before I was a fearless cannabis witness. I was a fearless alcoholic. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of those. I got $100 a piece, it'd be $500. Okay. I'll get greedy. I'm a bit greedy. Just maybe I'll count. First come, first serve. I'm broke though. My cake. Okay, this is an audio edit I am adding to this video. And there's no guy's recording. I'm joking. It is recording. These are worth something. Okay. Cash is what I want for these. I don't want to do any credit card, nothing like that. So that's. You bring me cash, I'll take $50 a piece. If I sell you a Port Bakersfield, Boyle, Morro Bay, Thank you. Before we go and put these prints up, we can do a cash deal or trade. I really don't want to do any additional, money to my bank, because this is just something I'm going to trade for something else. Okay, I don't need to go through the bank on that. So I really want to get a cash, and I'll get what I need. Okay, peace out. Printed, I got the files coming. I can print those in. I want to do this on the note. Lance Armstrong. Let's see if anybody else tweaking or whatever they're doing. No limited, when it's 7 times enough. Rewind, come again. Yeah, this collection. Right here. Okay, we're gonna leave it open to bid. Okay. And I'll give you 3 days. Like eBay, except this is through me. Top winner in 3 days. Top bid. Okay, top bid. I don't want to mess with this for under $500. So top bid above $500 gets it. Okay, peace out.